In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your generation history in Adobe Firefly. If you've been creating images or text effects in Firefly and want to revisit what you made, your generation history is the fastest way to find past results, compare variations, and pick up where you left off. I'll walk you through the quickest path to get there, and I'll share a few helpful pointers so everything feels smooth and predictable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a simple, reliable way to reach the official Firefly page without memorizing links. In the search box, type Adobe Firefly and press Enter. You should see the official Adobe result near the top. Before you click, give the link a quick glance to make sure the address is on adobe.com. This small check helps you avoid lookalike sites. Click through to the Adobe Firefly website. The homepage may highlight different Firefly tools like text-to-image or generative fill, but the navigation is consistent. If you're not already signed into your Adobe account, you may be prompted to do so. Go ahead and sign in so your personal workspace and past generations can load. Once you're on the Firefly site and signed in, look toward the top navigation bar for the section labeled Your Stuff. On some screens, it may be tucked behind a profile or library icon. Either way, it's the place where Firefly stores your personal content. Click Your Stuff to open your workspace. Inside your stuff, find and select Generation History. This view gathers your previously generated outputs, making it easy to scan thumbnails and revisit prompts. You'll typically see the image or effect you generated along with details like the prompt, the tool used, and a timestamp. Clicking any item opens it so you can review settings, duplicate the result, or generate new variations based on the same idea. Many users like to favorite their best outputs for quick access, and you can usually filter or sort your history to narrow down what you're looking for. If you work across devices, your history should sync with your account, so items created elsewhere will appear here once you're signed in. A quick recap: open Google, search for Adobe Firefly, click the official Adobe result, select Your Stuff, and then choose Generation History. From there, you can browse, organize, and relaunch your past creations without starting from scratch. That's all you need to confidently access and manage your Firefly generation history.